The essential role of chemistry in daily life. Chemistry is often called the central science because it is the fundamental bridge between biology, physics, and our physical surroundings. It is not just confined to laboratories, it dictates how our bodies function and how our modern world operates. 1. Personal care and hygiene. Daily hygiene products are complex chemical formulations. Soaps and detergents utilize amphiphilic molecules, which possess both water-loving and fat-loving properties, to lift oil and dirt away from skin and clothing. Meanwhile, products like toothpaste use fluoride and abrasives to protect enamel, demonstrating chemistry's role in basic health maintenance. 2. The culinary arts. Cooking is a series of chemical transformations. The Maillard reaction, the browning and savory flavor development in seared meats and baked goods, is a result of amino acids reacting with sugars at high heat. Leavening. Baking soda and powder work through acid-base reactions that release carbon dioxide, creating the light, airy texture in breads and cakes. 3. Healthcare and medicine. Chemistry is the backbone of modern medicine. It enables the creation of pharmaceuticals designed to interact specifically with bodily receptors to treat disease. From synthetic insulin for diabetes management to anesthesia that disrupts nerve signals, medical chemistry literally sustains human life. 4. Domestic utility. Cleaning is essentially chemistry in action. pH balancing, acidic cleaners, like vinegar, dissolve mineral deposits, while basic cleaners, like lye, break down fats and grease. Disinfection, chemicals like sodium hypochlorite, bleach, neutralize pathogens by oxidizing their cell structures. 5. Agriculture and energy. Large-scale survival relies on chemistry. The Haber-Bosch process, which converts atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, allows for the massive fertilizer production necessary to feed the global population. Furthermore, the modern tech era is powered by lithium-ion battery chemistry, which allows for the efficient storage and transfer of energy in our smartphones and electric vehicles. Conclusion. Chemistry is the invisible engine of human civilization. It provides the materials we use, the energy we consume, the food we eat, and the medicine that keeps us healthy. By understanding the chemical nature of our environment, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complex, functional world we inhabit every day.